Whew. This is John Michael. I finally got what I've been waiting for, and I want to share it with you right after this. I have been waiting to upgrade from my old MacBook Pro for quite some time, and here it is. This is just what you know what? Let's just stop talking, and let's just open this up. You know what? Just go ahead and watch this. Wow. Woo! How awesome was that? Guys, give me some likes, thumbs up. Give me some comments below. Share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have subscribed, I appreciate you very, very much. I love this machine. And I'll see you around on the next video where I will take it to the next level.